So in our previous videos, we managed to solve the distance AC, the area of triangle ABC, and the shortest distance from B to AC. Now we are going to solve the equation saying cos theta is equal to 0.937 for theta is greater or equal to 0, but less or equal to 360. Let's do that. So we have this equation. Cos theta is equal to 0.937. Okay, then what we are going to do is we are solving for theta, so we are going to multiply both sides by 1 over cos, its inverse. All right, so even that side we have 1 over cos, so that now our cos and cos can go. Yeah, so we're going to say theta is equal to this 1 over cos mathematically can be written as cos inverse, like that. All right, so we have cos inverse of 0.937, like that. So our cos is positive. Our cos is positive. So if our cos is positive, we need to refer to our quadrants, all right, in the Cartesian plane. So in the first quadrant, we have the first quadrant, we have the second quadrant, we have the third quadrant, and we have the fourth quadrant. All right, so in the first quadrant, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. We are talking about sine is positive, cos is positive, and tan is positive. They are all positive. All right, but in the second quadrant, sine is the only one that is positive. It's the only sign that is positive, or trigonometrical ratio that is positive, meaning cos is negative and tan is negative. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. Okay, then sine is negative and cos is negative. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive and this sine is negative and tan is negative. So since our cos is positive, our answer lies between the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. This is where cos is positive, and even here cos is positive. So our answer should lie between in the range of, we are talking about from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Okay, between 0 degrees to 90 degrees, that's where our answer should lie. Then we should also look at from this point we have 180, which is a straight line. We have that straight line. Then from 180 degrees to that point, we have a 270. Then from 270 to that, we have 360 as a complete now tan. Okay, so what I mean is our answers should be in the range of, it should be greater than 0 but less than 90, okay, or should be greater than 270 but less than 360. That's what I mean. So now how do we solve this? So we're going to say shift, then we go where cos is. Okay, then we say 0.937 is equal to, we are going to get 20.446301112. All right, so we have been told that the theta, okay, is equal to 20, all right, 20.446301112. Leaving our answer in 1 dp, our theta is 20.4 degrees. All right, that is in the first quadrant, and because 20.4 degrees is in the first quadrant, because we are saying from 0 to 90. So from 0 to 90, the 20 is inside there. So we have an angle of 20. So it's satisfying that indeed the theta is in the first quadrant. Okay, then we can still check what it is in the fourth quadrant. So what we do is we're going to say theta is equal to, we are going to say 360 minus the angle that we found earlier. So 360 minus 20.4, we are going to get 360 minus 20.4, it is 339.6. So our theta is 339.6 degrees. That is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so that's how you solve such a question.